Let me show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva Mobile. Very simple but useful. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So immediately you open your Canva app, this is what you are going to have. Now, this is the way I'm going to teach you this time around. Click on the search bar that you have at the top, this one. Once you click on it, create a search and type YouTube thumbnail. After creating that search, you should have this on your screen after about 3 seconds. So now let's start from create a blank YouTube thumbnail, the one at the top here. I'm going to create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Depending on your network, after a few seconds, you are going to have this on your screen. So now send it back, use the back scroll on your screen. Now after sending it to back, this is what you are going to have. Now it depends on what you are using it for. If you are a YouTuber, it means you need to master the basics. But if you are just someone who wants to design for other YouTubers, then you need also to master the details of how to create an effective YouTube thumbnail. So let's start by creating a rectangle. Click on Elements. After clicking on Elements, search for rectangle by using the search bar at the top, rectangle. So it will show the shape here, then you select the shape. Once you select the shape, it will come straight to your empty canvas. Now it is not done, you need to spread it out. Click on color. So we are using black for this design as the background. After clicking black, select activate. Now that is the first thing. The next thing is to bring in the image we are using for this design. Now go to Elements again. Click on Elements. You can search for anything you want on your Canva. So I'm going to search for headshot of an audacious man. Now create a search. This is just a sample, so you can walk around anything you are working with. Don't forget, the first rule is to use a quality picture. So click on this. Here is the photo that I'm going to use. Now, this picture has a background, and for you to make it effective, you need to remove the background. So go to your background remover. Here is background remover here. If you're on pro version, you can use this background remover. But if you are on a free mode, you need to download the image you want to use first, remove the background on any other image remover tool, and then you bring it into Canva. So click on BG remover. So it will scan the image, then it will remove the background. So after doing that, you need to set your image properly. I need only majorly the head. Something like this. Now, you need to go to adjust. This is adjust. Adjust your image. We want to use a monochrome headshot. I will scroll downward to saturation. So here is saturation. Click on saturation and then reduce it to the barest minimum. I used 100. Now the image looks somehow. Let me try the vibrance. Okay, vibrance doesn't have much effect. Increase the black. Go to contrast and increase it a bit. So under your adjust, you can adjust your image depending on what you are trying to do. So now I'm done with mine. I can reduce the image a little. So this is how I will leave it. So the text I'm going to use for this YouTube thumbnail is the man who became a billionaire from scratch. Then I'll write the secret recipe for success under it. Now, when it comes to inserting your text, you need to know that the text must be in groups. If you keep your text in group, it will make it meaningful. But if you write it once, it will look somehow. So I'm going to write the man who first. Let's go. You click on add text box after clicking on add text. So this is your text box. Then you click on edit. Clear off the default text and write what you want to write. The man who. So we are going to write those 3 words first. So let's bring it here. This is what you use to move your text. This one. If you want to rotate it, you use this second one. So bring it here. Don't let it be too close to the edge and don't let it be too close to the top. Now, the next thing is to change your font. So you click on font here. So you must select the text first before clicking on font. Now, let's search for Bebas. Let me use Bebas for this. Bebas. Search. Let's use Bebas Noir Acrylic. This one here. So click on this. Now, your text will be changed to that font. Then you activate it. Now, you need to increase the size. Now, note, we are going to use white, red, and black for our design. So now, after writing this, move it upward a bit. So now, the next text is going to be in the same font, but it may not be in the same size. So what you need to do is to click on copy. Here is copy. So once you click on copy, it will double it. Then you bring it downward under it and then click on edit. Here is edit. Now click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can now type your text. The man who. The next thing is became a. Activate your design by using this button here. So now enlarge it. Reduce the size a bit. If you want to increase the size manually, you go to this place here. So let's use that one to increase it. This is 136. Let's increase it to 139. And then we activate. So now let's move it to the right spot by using nudge. This is nudge below. So all the tools below can be used to edit your text. Now the next thing is billionaire. So I'm going to move this text upward a bit and then move the second one upward a bit as well. So now the next text is going to be on a rectangle patch. So let's go back to element. Activate your text. Go to element. So now you search for rectangle again. So once you click on that rectangle, this rectangle is going to be in red color. But let's set it up first. So you're going to use your finger to drag until you have what you are looking for. So I'm going to click on color. This is where color is. And then pick red. Let me use this red straight away. Now, I need to type billionaire. So I won't type billionaire from scratch. I'll just pick one of the text here and then click on this copy icon here. So once I click on that copy icon, then I move it downward and then edit it. Billionaire. Activate it straight away. Click on it. And then navigate to nudge below. Now we've done that. One of the tricks in YouTube thumbnail is to ensure that your texts are readable and they have a catchy part. If you look at the billionaire, that is the first attraction for every person following you or your subscribers. That is what they will notice first. So now let's write the remaining text under it, which is from scratch. We are going to use Montserrat this time around. So I'm going to add a new text box. Let's add a new text box. Click on text. Click on add text box. Then type your from scratch font to Montserrat. So I'm going to select font. All the tools are below. Click on font below. Then we are going to search for Montserrat. Very common font, and I love it. I've written incorrect stuff. Montserrat. So you click on search. So once it brings the font, you click on it and then you activate. So I'm going to enlarge the text box so that it can accommodate what we've written. So bring it below it here and reduce the size. Nudge it to the left. So you use left to nudge. So now you are going to copy that same text by using the text copy icon that you have here. So once you copy it, bring it here, edit it, and then type. Thing you notice is not good, use your adjustment to balance them before you save the design to your phone. So that is just how to make a simple and useful thumbnail on Canva. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.